Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's tropical update. Tropical Storm Fiona rapidly developed last night, and as of 8 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time, Thursday, September the 15th, Tropical Storm Fiona has maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour, a minimum central pressure of 1,002 millibars, and moving west at 13 miles per hour. It is expected to impact the northern Lesser Antilles by Friday afternoon and overnight, where tropical storm watches have been issued for much of the northern Lesser Antilles, impact Puerto Rico by uh, late Saturday and early Sunday, and then impact the eastern Dominican Republic by early Monday and start to turn towards the Turks and Caicos by early Tuesday morning. Looking at the satellite imagery of Tropical Storm Fiona, uh, all the storms are still on the eastern side of the system, as it is still contending with the southwesterly wind shear. And the system was expected to remain very weak, although we did have a period of strong intensification last night where it went from 35 miles per hour to 50 miles per hour. And luckily, it has stayed at 50 miles per hour. So hopefully, this doesn't strengthen much until it gets past the Caribbean, but we're still seeing a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity on the eastern side of Fiona, and this is going to continue to move westward and start to impact the northern Lesser Antilles over the next 36 to 48 hours. Looking at the spaghetti model plots for Fiona, we can see that almost all the models take it through the northern Lesser Antilles, including areas like St. Kitts and Nevis, the U.S. and British Virgin Islands over the next 36 to 48 hours, through Puerto Rico over the next 72 hours, and then the models are starting to curve it northwest over the next 4 to 5 days as it impacts areas or impacts the Dominican Republic. And about 5 to 6 days, we could start seeing impacts across the Turks and Caicos Islands as most of the models start to curve it north by day 6 and 7. So hopefully the trend continues where the models curve it northeast of the Bahamas, but we're going to have to continue to watch that. And looking at the intensity guidance models, over the next 48 hours, most of the models keep Fiona at a mid-grade tropical storm at around 50 miles per hour, and then we start to see some strengthening over the next 72 to 96 hours. And eventually, once Fiona gets north of Hispaniola, we could start to see some steady strengthening where many of the models bring it to a Category 1, even a few to a Category 2 hurricane once it approaches the Turks and Caicos. So we're going to have to really watch this intensity to see if the storm starts to intensify near the Turks and Caicos by September the 20th and 21st. And now, this is going to be the real danger from Fiona. It's going to be the rain, where almost all of the islands across the Lesser Antilles are now expected to see 3 to 5 inches of rain from Fiona. And then areas like Puerto Rico, 4 to 7 inches, and the Dominican Republic, if the European model sticks on its course, you could be seeing widespread 4 to 10 inches with isolated areas over a foot of rain. So, and then even towards the Turks and Caicos, if the storm moves more west, you can be expected to see anywhere from 4 to 8 inches with isolated areas up to 10 to 12 inches in the Turks and Caicos. So this is going to be a big rain producer across much of the Northeastern Caribbean. So make sure you prepare for flooding, especially in the Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico. Anyway, thanks for watching today's tropical update on Fiona. I'll continue to update you guys as we progress and the storm nears the Lesser Antilles and the Caribbean. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, my friends.